Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're at a fishing and RV show, and right now we have some fish, as you can see. I bet I can do cooler flips than you. I'm gonna ride a bull.
What are you gonna do? You're gonna ride the bull?
And I'm gonna stay on there for 12 seconds.
12 seconds, you think?
No, 5. Make it easy on myself.
You think 5 seconds? All right, Piper.
There you go. All right,
Are you ready?
Okay. You ready? Here we go.
Don't go too fast.
We're going to start out slow. You're fine.
I did it.
Looks like 11 seconds.
I slid it right off.
That was pretty
I slid right off.
So,
All right, tell us how your first bull riding experience was.
Well, the first one was good. The second one I just slid right off. I was like,
if you look,
Thank you. Yeah. All right, Piper, you ready?
Alright, grab the handles. Yep. Talk up. I think there's a house. I have 2 left for today. Finish up the erotic or whatever it is. Yeah.
Can you flip, Mitchell?
I don't know.
They told me I'm supposed to take all of them. Don't swing. Sure.
How was it?
Fun.
fun,
What was
but
fun about it?
well, I didn't do any flips because I felt like it was gonna fall out. He just kept on lifting higher and higher and higher,
He got you really high at one point, right? Your feet were off the ground.
and I started screaming.
Mitchell, what about you?
I don't know. I didn't do a flip because she did. And I was only going to do if she did it. So,
We're going fishing. No, we're literally going fishing.
We're literally going fishing. What are we fishing for?
Fish.
Fish?
Right up.
Are you ready, Mitchell?
Yes.
Yay! Reel him in, Piper. Holding. All right, we're gonna go back in the
I'm holding him.
You want to hold him?
A little slimy. Grab it.
Fish down, fish down. Grab him, Piper. There we go. All right, let me see.
There you go.
There we are. All right, throw him back. Good job.
I
What
go.
did you think?
Good.
Just good. Thanks for your help.
We're still at the.
No, but what are we looking at?
We're looking at some bikes because I'm a nice sister and I'm letting my brother do it.
Are you letting your brother look at the bikes?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, let's go look at them.
Okay.
What do we got?
Honda, that's all I know about it.
It's a Honda.
That is a Honda, and those came off of the NSX.
I like it.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like that one.
Like this one?
I like that one more.
The 4-passenger?
Yeah. Look at the design on it.
These are all pretty cool, huh?
Dude, I like the black one.
Mitchell, look at this big dirt bike.
Uh-huh.
This one's pretty cool.
Yeah, I like that one.
Mitchell, what is this?
It's an ATV.
Pretty bagged looking ATV.
Yeah.
We're on YouTube, Dad.
Mitchell.
$299.
What have we got here?
Yamaha bike.
Yamaha?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna look at here. 2009 Yamaha YS450F.
YS450F?
And it's 9,000. I'm not good at numbers. $9,299. Who would buy that?
A lot of people would.
And go like this. If you do them fish, you're going to sit there and go, well, that's the craziest daggum worm I ever did see. There we go. Okay, so you throw it out there, and I'm talking to my buddy. An Alabama rig where you could Texas rig it and reel it through the trash. An Alabama rig really only is effective when you bring it through the cover. You throw it.
Hi, guys. Welcome back. You guys wouldn't believe what we found today.
What do we find?
Look at this wheelchair. I mean, it's amazing.
That is pretty cool.
We're going to show you the rest. I like this one. And I also like the other one. I like this one.
What do you like about it?
The seat. And that.
You
What's
like the
not to
seat
like
and the
about it?
tracks? It's pretty dang cool, isn't it?
Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And make sure to check out Mesu Fishing.
And what else?
And UV Tightline.
And UV Tightline. You need to speak up. So make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Bye. See you guys on our next adventure.